Hi, my name is Dmitry, I'm a co-founder of VinDeals, and in this short video I want to show you step by step the ways to use VinDeals website so you can get the most out of it, meaning getting the maximum possible discount on the car you want to purchase. First, you start with a registration. It is very quick and straightforward. Here are a few things I want to bring to your attention. We don't sell or share your information with anyone, and the only situation your contact information will be shared with a salesperson is only when that salesperson has accepted your price offer and agreed on the terms that you have set. In a moment we will talk about that in details, but other than that, you stay anonymous during the whole process. VinDeals is very easy to use and the process consists of only 3 steps: my car, my terms, my promise. Let us start with the first one. Here you simply enter the information of the vehicle you want to purchase. Let's say I want to buy 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe preferred package and I want it in red color. I want to make a very important note here. Only use VinDeals when you know exactly which car you want to buy and when you're seriously considering buying that car. VinDeals is not a research tool and it doesn't work for that purpose. The only purpose of VinDeals is to connect you with a salesperson who is ready to sell you the car on your conditions or even offer you a better price if possible. As it is in real life, you don't engage in price negotiation with a salesman unless you really want to buy a car. This same idea is used here. Only use VinDeals if you are seriously considering buying a car. This is very important because technically the same price negotiations go for VinDeals. The only difference with VinDeals is that you can simultaneously negotiate the price online with salespeople in your city. And thanks to the way our process is built on, you don't need to have any special negotiation skills to get the best available price. Okay, so when all the information about the car is filled in, we go to the next step, your terms. Here you enter your conditions to buy the vehicle. Technically you don't have any limits or restrictions here and you can post whatever you feel is a fair price for the vehicle. What matters is how realistic your price offer for your request is to be either accepted by salespeople or left unattended. Let's go back to the website page. Here we want you to start with entering the actual market price of the vehicle you want to purchase. As I mentioned before, it is very important for our process that you are seriously in the market for the vehicle, and this question is some sort of our safety check. If you really know what you want to buy, you shouldn't have any problems with entering this number. You can use a number from either a dealer's price quote, or you can take that number by clicking this link here that will transfer you to the manufacturer's website. Both ways are fine, but we want to be sure that you know exactly what you are buying. So let's say, just as an example, I want to finance my Santa Fe for 72 months and have bi-weekly payments. The Hyundai website shows that my payments are going to be, by the way, don't forget to add all mandatory fees and taxes, so my payments are going to be $289 every 2 weeks. Now let's put this number here. And next, you want to enter specifically your terms to purchase this vehicle. So let's choose 72 months, bi-weekly payments, and finally, the maximum payment I'm comfortable with paying for this SUV. Let's say I want to pay nothing more than $280. By setting this number, you tell all salespeople that there is no way you are going to buy this SUV with a payment higher than $280, but you will buy this car if someone is ready to sell it for $280 or less. By the way, we also have a discount calculator here on this page so you know how much of a discount you're actually asking. Because we found it quite often that buyers don't realize that asking for only $30 of the payment means $4,000 or $5,000 of the total price, making their offer impossible to accept. But again, you're free to put any number here that you feel is fair. And next we go to the final step, your promise. Here we ask you to provide $250 deposit to guarantee that you will buy the car if any salesperson decided to accept your conditions. Deposit is 100% refundable with a simple condition. You must finalize the deal with a salesperson who has accepted your offer with the lowest number. Deposit that you're providing anyways when buying a car from a dealership. The only difference is you usually do that at the very end of the car buying process when you have already agreed on some price and it is $500 or higher. But the main difference is that when you use this money at the end, it is taken from your account without any benefit to you. However, when you use it with VinDeals, those $250 are actually working for you and helping you to get the maximum possible discount. Important things you should know about this stage. First, we use Stripe as our payment provider, which is a world-famous for its highest security standards. That means we don't store or even have any access to your payment information. We want you to feel safe and comfortable knowing that your personal information is fully protected. Second, we don't actually charge your card, and we only do a pre-authorization. Technically, your money remains on your account all the time. It is pretty much the same way when you make a hotel reservation. And third, all refunds are automatic, and since it's a pre-authorization only, you don't need to submit any requests for refund or wait days till your money is back. With us, you get your money back right away in less than a minute. So after you have provided the deposit, your price offer becomes available online to salespeople in your city. And there are literally only two possible scenarios. First, you posted your offer, salespeople checked and evaluated it and decided that it's unrealistic. You have asked too much of a discount and it's impossible to meet your request. In this case, your price offer expires the next day and you get your deposit back. You also get an email report to show you how many salespeople actually checked your offer. It's totally up to you if you want to start a new offer with a bit higher number but still in your budget range. And the second scenario, you posted your offer, salespeople checked it and they see it is realistic. And next, they will submit their prices but not higher than the maximum payment you have posted. Salespeople know they are competing for a real buyer since you have provided a deposit, and they also know that if they are strong enough to offer you the lowest possible price, because that's the only way for them to win in a blind competition, they know they will get you as a customer guaranteed. You see, because you have already provided a deposit to show how strong your intentions to buy the car, there is no sense for salespeople not to accept your offer if it's doable. What happens next is that you get an email telling you that your offer was accepted and also giving you a contact information of the salesperson who has accepted your price offer with the lowest number. That salesperson also gets your contact information and so he or she can schedule an appointment with you. Now you have 5 business days to meet with that salesperson specifically and finalize the deal on the conditions you both have already agreed on. As soon as the salesperson confirms you did show up, that same minute you get your deposit back. So if you're seriously considering buying a car, using VinDeals won't cost you a thing. We believe that car buying should be enjoyable, and the discount you get should not depend on how strong your negotiation skills are. Remember that when you decide to buy a new car. Thanks for watching and enjoy buying your next vehicle.